know what else we're just going to have to, trade whatever comes to us. Realizing that we do have Labor Day coming up, interest and volume will probably, if not certainly, wane as we get closer and closer to Friday. People wanting to get out of town quicker and quicker and quicker, especially if there's nothing going on. As far as the zone trades, we are looking at a little bit different layout. Charlie was messing with some stuff. We'll see. It won't be drastically big, but we're using the short term is, instead of using that 9 period, we're going to do a 7 period, and then we also threw in the ATR, which is an indication of making sure that we're on the right side of the trade. ATR below means that it's a buy, ATR above means that it's a sell. You want that to agree with whatever you're seeing with the moving averages. We are opening up here in 38 seconds, and we'll just see what's coming up.